the 2014 Porsche Cayman S. Finished in the choice black with the 20-inch wheels. As you can see, just one that's been well looked after and just very tidy. That's the sports exhaust, black leather, and I think this car was 65k whenever it was new. I'll just pop inside and show you the cabin. So as you can see, it has the proper paddle shift steering wheel. Obviously the sports exhaust, sat nav, and just all throughout its cabin it's just exceptionally tidy. And hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of the car. And God willing, hear from you soon.